Hello traders, my name is Andy, CEO and co-founder. Wanted to be the first to say welcome to Traders, and in this video I'll be guiding you how to access the Traders member login portal. To claim access to Discord, Trading Lab indicators, algos, order flow matrix indicators, downloading the software, the interactive setup guide, and much more. No matter if you're a core, plus, premium, ultimate, Trading Lab, or a order flow matrix subscriber, I'll be guiding you on how to access this portal. So let's first start off and diving right in here. So you go into the traders.com website. Then what I'm going to do here is go up to accounts, go to member portal. And now we're inside the member portal. So what I'm going to do is sign in with WAP. There we go. So I'm going to type in one of my test accounts here. There we go. Hit continue. I'm going to type in the code that I get from WAP here. Alrighty, so now we're going to give authorize and let us in here. And voila. So now you are in officially the Traders portal. So in here, as you can see, you have where you can download the software. So if you're a core, plus, premium, and ultimate member, you can access to download the software of Autopilot and the coming soon of the Copilot Copy Trader, Trade Copier. You also get access to the daily newsletter if you're a premium ultimate member and Trading Lab member. We're also adding a feature called Expense Tracker, which is really nice, so you can keep track of your expenses, which is coming very shortly. It'll be released very shortly. I can show you guys later down the road what it looks like. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to have to go and claim your Traders Discord access. So based on what plan you have, you can go in here, click Claim Discord Access. It will open a WAP right here. So now you open your WAP. Now you can click where it says Discord Access. You go to Automation or whatever plan you have. It will basically state it. Then you go over here and hit Connect Account. So this is where you connect your Discord account and everything. And once you connect it, you can claim access. As you can see, I can claim and access all that. I'm not going to do that though because I already have access already. Next up is you go over here, and this is where you claim your indicators. So I already claimed it already, as you can see, but you can change the username and claim it again. I'm going to do it again just for example purposes. There we go. And then I'm going to hit retry. And it should let me granting. And you have a little pop-up. It's going to appear, as you can see, at the bottom right. It says granted, access granted, and we have all of it saying granted. So this is only for people who have Premium, Ultimate, and Trading Lab to get access and claim the indicators in the algo. For those in Ultimate Order Flow Matrix, you can claim the Order Flow Matrix indicators. As you can see, I don't have access to this, but if I were to, I can hit retry and they'll give me access to this right now, and which it did. As you can see, access granted to all the indicators, which it did, gave me all access to the indicators and everything. So now I have access to the indicators. Next up is software downloads. This is where you can download your Traders Autopilot software to automate your trades and algos to your brokerages. So we have offer Windows, we have Mac OS for Intel and InChip, and we also have a download for Linux, both Deb and Snap packages. And you can also view the release notes right here if you wanted to. Another cool thing is that, once you first download, you don't know what to do after that. We also have an interactive setup guide to show you step-by-step on how to download, how to set up, and all that stuff. So if you have a Mac OS M chip, you can click here and follow this entire interactive setup guide. How to install, do all this stuff, YouTube video tutorials, all sorts of things, how to connect your brokers, Tradevate or Project X, connecting your TradingView to Go Autopilot or the Traders Autopilot. At the meantime, we're calling Go. And then how to start automated trading. And once you start it, it's fully automated. So it shows you there. And then you can hit watch full video tutorial as well. So yeah, that's basically it. You have newsletter as well. And then we have the upcoming expense tracker that we're adding, which is coming out shortly. But yeah, so that's how you gain access to your Discord, your indicators, and how to download the software and how to set it up when you run into trouble. We also offer one-on-one onboarding. So if you go up to the top right here, go here, and then you can click and you can onboard right here, and it'll take you to WAP, and you can do a one-on-one onboard session and book one with us. So if you need anything else at all, feel free to reach out on Discord. We have a big Discord community of people who are willing to help each other. We have a support ticket system in Discord as well, so feel free to reach out in there because that's where we're mostly at. If you contact us on WAP for support, we might be a little late responding because majority of the time we're answering the tickets on Discord. So just join the Discord, claim access, open a support ticket. We'll happy to assist you, or book a one-on-one onboarding, and we'll be there with you, guiding you on how to set up, making sure you have everything set up correctly. And yeah, that's it. Welcome to Traders, and we hope you the best and make a lifetime long community member. See ya.